mud hole. Alright, that's not too bad. This is more so where I was thinking it's gonna get worse. All that rain we got, holy shit. Alright, let's see what this is all about. There's gotta be a frog getting thrown around somewhere, man. Whew. It stinks too. But I also haven't hit the mud hole in probably about a couple weeks. Let it build up a little bit. We'll just keep crawling through it and then we'll hit it hard in a bit. It's all two-wheel drive too. This thing just eats. Wow. The XMRs don't mess around, man. Ooh, big tree. Be hitting these mud holes a lot harder, but like we'll see. I only got how much? Like 3 bars. Well, in sport mode, you never know, it could chew that up real quick. Holy shit. Sorry, I try not to swear. Ooh, a little wheelie. One of these days I'll explore out there, but hey, it gets pretty swampy out there. Ooh, we're down to 2 bars.